Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just gonna briefly go through this code here, 241600 electric fan mechanically blocked. So it could be a few things. Your fan is usually here at the front where the radiators are, and what we would recommend is check the wiring as usual, make sure there is correct voltage going to it and that there is no play. Also make sure it's solid, again no play, because what they tend to do is there will be plays in these, and the fan here also can catch things such as leaves, anything, stones. So you've got to check to see if they move freely. If they do and you are still getting the same issue, I would highly recommend getting it changed as soon as possible, because it will cost you an engine. But that's the code, and that's what you would look out for. And also check the fuse box as well, make sure that there is no funny fuses in there, blown, or sometimes they do get funny, the fuses. So I would highly recommend check with the fuse board and then work your way around all the way to the wiring and then change the component. But make sure you get OEM components, because aftermarket stuff aren't the best and they do pack in.